Hi there, this is Jenny Piccolo. I'm doing another episode of my YouTube journey into making money, learning about making money, probably talk about some other subjects like parenting, dieting, maybe even some gardening. We'll see where things go. For now, I'm pretty interested in ClickBank. Last night I did a short video on that. Not my best work. Actually, it's my only work, so that is my best work. It's also my worst work. So let's hopefully make a better video today. I want to be a little more on topic. I want this to make more sense. So I did a little more of my due diligence here, and I looked into ClickBank a little after making that video, and it turns out it's a scam. This is not a good way to make money. Let me show you why. I found this webpage called consumeraffairs.com. People leave reviews. Based on 60 reviews that contain star ratings, the overall satisfaction rating for ClickBank is 1 out of 5 stars. So I'm going to read some of these reviews to you today, and you can make up your own mind about whether or not you want to use ClickBank. But for me, it's a no. So Donald of Other says, on the 4th of February, 2019, I accepted an offer for a free book. I entered my credit card details as requested to process the offer. Note that the page showed that there would be no charge for the book, including shipping. The process became onerous with a multitude of irrelevant marketing offers that I refused. On exiting the site, I received an email for some books that I never requested, which would be shipped at a cost of $10.17. The email that was sent does not allow me to reverse and challenge this charge. The charge to my credit card was made by clickbank.com. This is a scam. So this person got scammed by somebody who is earning money through ClickBank. So I guess if you want to be a scam artist, maybe ClickBank would work for you. I don't want to be a scam artist. I have this little thing called morals. I don't want to trick people into purchasing or into getting something for free, and then next thing you know, you're paying $10. $10 is not free the last time I checked. That's a scam. So Carl of Edison, New Jersey says, on November 14, 2018, I purchased an exercise video online. The online ad advertised the merchandise for about $25, shipping included. While checking my credit card, I noticed that on the day of purchase, they had charged my account twice, $33 and $5.28, and they had set me up for a monthly subscription without my permission. Not cool, ClickBank. This monthly subscription was going to cost me $50 a month. On November 27, I called ClickBank and made them aware that I never received the merchandise I ordered and that I never signed up for a monthly subscription. They sent me an email with a refund for my future monthly payment of the supposed subscription, which I never asked for, but they didn't refund me for the merchandise I never received. So I called my credit card company to ask for a chargeback on the merchandise charges, and they credited my account. Well, I'm really glad to hear that Carl got his money back, but he shouldn't have had to go through all the hassle. ClickBank seems like it is no bueno. Kimberly of Anchorage is really happy. She says, I'm very happy with what I got. I am indeed happy that I found this website. This sounds really fake and contrived to me. I feel like she is somehow paid to write this. Listen to this. And it's my pleasure to say a big thank to you. I am indeed grateful. This is somebody who lives in the third world somewhere, and they're making pennies to write these bullshit reviews. I mean, this seems obvious to me. I would definitely recommend you to my friends and families. Thanks a lot. I'm not buying this. Are you buying this? Because I'm not buying this. Vern of Jefferson City says, as with many other reviews of ClickBank, I purchased 2 TAC flashlights, of which I am not impressed with. After they provided the items free of charge, but lo and behold, I had to pay almost $16 shipping. I didn't find out about the shipping costs until after purchase. Next thing I know, I see a monthly subscription fee on my credit card. I contacted them and I had the initial fee, $29.95, refunded and the subscription canceled. Relatively easy to do, even with a person that was hard to understand. This is underhanded marketing, and I am now a much more savvy shopper. Buyers beware. So all of these reviews are saying the same thing. They're being offered some sort of free product, and next thing you know, you are signed up for a subscription that you never said you wanted to be a part of, and you're paying the shipping and handling. This is underhanded, as Carl said. I don't like this. I'd like to find some more reviews based on what it's like to be somebody working for ClickBank, because I'm guessing that it's no better for them either. This person says their business practices are disgusting. He's going to forward all of this to everyone who'll listen. He says, you're a thief, plain and simple. Low-life bottom feeders. Gary of Cairns says, on 6 April 2018, I purchased various downloads via ClickBank as final products. However, it seems typical with ClickBank. Without my knowledge and approval, they started taking monthly payments out of my Visa account. I have since canceled that Visa and opened a new one. My bank is investigating the fraudulent activities of ClickBank. Graham of Leeds says, ordered torch on 2010-2017, never turned up. Rang them up, asked for a refund, told couldn't do that because it's gone on too long. I was told that I should have gotten in touch sooner. Don't go near them. They are just robbers. Jean of Indio says, terrible. I tried using multiple credit cards and 3 different PayPal methods of payment. I have plenty of credit and money in my accounts. They repeatedly denied my order for Rocket Language by telling me it was denied and to use another card. Rocket Language support says that ClickBank sometimes goes offline. So I can't buy my product. It's the worst payment service I have ever used. Marguerite of Sutton says, I stupidly ordered the book, The Lost Ways. I wanted it in actual book form and paid extra for that. I ended up with a downloadable version, which I didn't want. I don't have a good enough ISP to download something like that. I keep losing my connection when I try, but I chalked it up to experience and I let it go. Then today I noticed a $14.95 charge that I knew I hadn't made. I got to checking and they have been charging me $14.95 a month for 8 months since I bought their dumb book. I don't know why, because I paid all charges, $49 and change up front. Luckily, I use a credit card company that will go to bat for me if they don't make things right. I mean, this is review after review after review of the same sort of thing. They're suckered into paying for a product that ends up either not coming or isn't very good at all. They're then signed up to a subscription monthly coming out of their card, which if you don't notice, I mean, this poor lady ended up 8 months of these payments, plus paying shipping and handling. So my final review for ClickBank, thumbs down. Don't deal with ClickBank. This is Jenny Piccolo reviewing ways to make money, consumer affairs, and other sorts of related topics. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope this one was a little more coherent than the last, and I hope that you will like and subscribe.